Praise the Lord. Shalom Aleichem. I'll be reciting Psalms 119 from the King James Version Bible. There are 176 verses which are grouped into 22 sets. Each set contains 8 verses. Let us begin. Number 1 is Aleph, keepers of God's law. Blessed are the undefiled in the way who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are they that keep his testimonies and that seek him with a whole heart. They also do no iniquity, they walk in his ways. Thou hast taught us to keep thy precepts diligently. O that my ways were directed to keep thy statutes. Then shall I not be ashamed when I have respect unto all thy commandments. I will praise thee with uprightness of heart when I have learnt thy righteous judgments. I will keep thy statutes, O forsake me not utterly. Number 2 is purity, the fruit of the law. Wherewithal shall the young man cleanse his way by taking heed thereto according to thy word. With my whole heart have I sought thee, let me not wander from thy commandments. Thy word have I hid in mine heart, that I might not sin against thee. Blessed art thou, O Lord, and teach me thy statutes. With my lips have I declared all the judgments of thy mouth. I have rejoiced in the way of thy testimonies as much as in all riches. I will meditate in thy precepts and have respect unto thy ways. I will delight myself in thy statutes, and I will not forget thy word. Number 3 is Gimel, eyes to see God's law. Deal bountifully with thy servant, let me live, and I will keep thy word. Open thou mine eyes, that I may see the wondrous things out of thy law. I am a wanderer on earth, hide not thy commandments from me. My soul breaketh for the longing that he hath unto all thy judgments at all times. Thou hast rebuked the proud that are cursed, and that which do err in thy commandments. Remove from me reproach and contempt, for I have kept thy testimonies. Princes also did sit and speak against me, but thy servant did meditate in thy statutes. Thy testimonies also are my delight and my counsel. Number 4 is Daleth, prayer for understanding the law. My soul cleaveth unto the dust, quicken me according to thy word. I have declared my ways, thou hast heard me, teach me thy statutes. Make me to understand the way of thy precepts, and so shall I speak of thy wondrous works. My soul melteth for heaviness, strengthen thou me according to thy word. Keep me remove the way of lying, and grant me thy law graciously. I have chosen the way of truth, thy judgments have I laid before me. Thy testimonies I have stuck with them forever, O Lord, and put me not to shame. I will run in the way of thy commandments when thou hast enlarged my heart. Number 5 is living the Lord's way. It is Hey. Teach me, O Lord, the way of thy statutes, and I will keep it unto the end. Give me understanding that I may live, and I will keep it with my whole heart. Make me to go in the path of thy commandments, for therein do I delight. Incline my heart unto thy testimonies, and not to covetousness. Turn away mine eyes from beholding vanity, and quicken me in thy way. Establish thy word unto thy servant who is devoted to thy fear. Turn away mine eyes and my reproach, which I fear, for thy judgments are good. Behold, I have longed after thy precepts. Quicken me in thy righteousness. Number 6 is Vow, salvation through God's law. Let thy mercies also come unto me, O Lord, even thy salvation according to thy word. So shall I have wherewith to answer him that reproach me, for I trust in thy word. And take not the word of truth utterly out of my mouth, for I hoped in thy judgments. So shall I keep thy law continually forever and ever, and I will walk at liberty, for I seek thy precepts. I will speak of thy testimonies also before kings, and will not be ashamed. I will delight myself in thy commandments, which I have loved. My hand also will I lift up unto thy commandments, which I have loved, and I will meditate in thy statutes. Number 7 is Zen, comfort in God's law. Remember the word upon which thou hast caused me to hope. This is my comfort in my affliction, for thy word hath quickened me. The proud have had me greatly in derision, yet I decline not from thy law. I have remembered thy judgments of old, O Lord, and comforted myself. Horror hath taken hold upon me, because they forsake thy law. I have remembered thy name, O Lord, in the night, and have kept thy law. Thy statutes have been my songs in the house of my pilgrimage. This I had because I kept thy precepts. Number 8 is Chet, the Lord our portion. Thou art my portion, O Lord, and I have said that I'll keep thy words. I entreated thy favor with my whole heart. Be merciful unto me according to thy word. I thought on my ways and turned my feet unto thy testimonies. I made haste and delayed not to keep thy commandments. The band of the wicked have robbed me, but I have not forgotten thy law. At midnight I will praise thee with thanksgiving because of thy righteous judgments. I am a companion of them who fear thee and of them that keep thy precepts. The earth, O Lord, is full of thy mercies. Teach me thy statutes. Number 9 is death, God's law taught by affliction. Thou hast dealt well with thy servant, O Lord, according unto thy word. Teach me good judgment and knowledge, for I believed in thy commandments. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now have I kept thy word. Thou art good and doest good. Teach me thy statutes. The proud have forged a lie against me, but I will keep thy precepts with my whole heart. Their heart is as fat as grease, but I delight in thy law. It is good for me that I have been afflicted, that I might learn thy statutes. The law of thy mouth is better unto me than thousands of gold and silver. Number 10 is Jod, God's unchangeable, God's law, confidence in the law. Thy hands have made me and fashioned me. Give me understanding that I may learn thy commandments. Those that fear thee will be glad when they see me, for I hope in thy word. I know, O Lord, that thy judgments are right, and that thou in all faithfulness hast afflicted me. Let, I pray thee, thy merciful kindness be for my comfort, according to thy word unto thy servant. Let thy tender mercies also come unto me, that I may live, for thy law is my delight. Let the proud be ashamed, for they dealt perversely with me without a cause. Yet I meditate in thy precepts. Those that fear me, let them turn unto me, and those that have known thy testimonies. Let my heart be sound in my statutes, that I be not ashamed. Number 11 is Calf, a longing for comfort. My soul fainteth for thy salvation, O Lord, for I hope in thy word. Mine eyes fail for thy word, saying, when wilt thou comfort me? For I have become like a bottle in the smoke, yet do I not forget thy statutes. How many are the days of thy servant? When wilt thou execute judgment on them that persecute me? The proud have forged a lie against me, which is not after thy law. They persecute me wrongfully, for all thy commandments are faithful. Help thou me. They had almost consumed me upon earth, but I forsook not thy precepts. Quicken me after thy loving kindness, and so shall I keep the testimony of thy mouth. Number 12 is Lamed, God's unchangeable law. Thy word is well settled in heaven. Thy faithfulness is unto all generations. Thou hast established the earth, and it abideth. They continue this day according to thine ordinances, for all are thy servant. Unless thy law had been my delight, I should then have perished in mine affliction. I will never forget thy precepts, for with them thou hast quickened me. I am thine, save me, for I have sought thy precepts. The wicked have waited for me to destroy me, but I will consider thy testimonies. I have seen an end of all perfection, but thy commandments love them exceedingly. Number 13 is Mem, the love of God's law. Oh, how love I thy law, it is my meditation all the day. Thou through thy precepts has given me more understanding than all my enemies, for they are ever with me. I have more understanding than all my teachers, for thy testimonies are my meditation. I understand more than the ancients, because I keep thy precepts. I have refrained my feet from every evil way, that I might keep thy word. I have not departed from thy judgments, for thou hast taught me. How sweet are thy words unto my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth. Through thy precepts I get understanding, and therefore I hate every false way. Number 14 is God's law, a lamp to the feet. It is none. Thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. I have sworn I'll perform it, that I will keep thy righteous judgments. I am afflicted very much, quicken me according to thy word. Accept, I beseech thee, the freewill offering of my mouth, O Lord, and teach me thy judgments. My soul is continually in my hand. but I do not forget thy law. The wicked have laid a snare for me, but I err not from thy precepts. Thy testimonies have I taken as an heritage forever, for they are the rejoicings of my heart. I incline my heart to perform thy statutes always, even unto the end. Number 15 is Samak, God's law, a hiding place. I hate vain thoughts, but thy law do I love. Thou art my hiding place and my shield, for I hope in thy word. Depart from me, ye evildoers, for I will keep the commandments of my God. Uphold me according to thy word, that I may live, and let me not be ashamed of my hope. Hold thou me up, and I shall be safe, and I'll have respect unto thy statutes continually. Thou hast trodden down all them that erred in thy statutes, for their deceit is falsehood. Thou puttest away the wicked of the earth like dross, therefore I love thy testimonies. As my flesh trembleth for fear of thee, and I am afraid of thy judgments. Number 16 is Ain. A psalmist loves God's law. Thy judgments and justice, I have done thy judgment and justice. Leave me not to mine oppressors. Be surety for thy servant, let not the proud oppress me. Mine eyes fail for thy salvation and for the word of thy righteousness. Deal with thy servant according unto thy mercy, and teach me thy statutes. For I am thy servant, give me understanding, that I may know thy testimonies. It's time for thee, Lord, to work, for they have made void thy law. Therefore, I love thy commandments above gold, yea, above fine gold. Therefore, I esteem all thy precepts concerning all things to be right. Therefore, I hate every false way. Number 17 is Pay. The psalmist keeps God's law. Thy testimonies are wonderful, therefore doth my soul keep them. The entrance of thy words giveth light, it giveth understanding to the simple. Look thou upon me, and be merciful unto me, as thou used to do unto those that have loved thy name. I opened my mouth and panted, for I longed after thy commandments. Order my steps in thy words, and let not any iniquity have dominion over me. Deliver me from the oppression of man, for I will keep thy words. Make thy face to shine upon thy servant, and teach me thy statutes. Rivers of waters run down mine eyes, because they keep not thy law. Number 18 is Tizadin. God's law is true. Righteous art thou, O Lord, and upright are thy judgments. Thy testimonies that thou hast commanded are righteous and very faithful. My zeal hath consumed me, because my enemies have forgotten thy words. Thy word is pure, therefore thy servant loveth it. I am small and despised, yet do I not forget thy commandments. The righteousness is everlasting of thy righteousness, and the law is the truth. Thy trouble and anguish have taken hold on me, yet I delight in all thy commandments. The testimonies of thy righteousness is everlasting. Give me understanding, and I shall live. Number 19 is Kaf, a cry for salvation. I cried out with my whole heart, save me, and I will keep thy statutes. I cried unto thee, saying, I shall keep thy testimonies. I prevented the dawning of the morning, and cried, I hope in thy word. Mine eyes prevent the night dross, therefore I may meditate in thy word. Hear my voice according to thy loving kindness, O Lord, and quicken me according to thy judgment. They draw nigh that fall after mischief, they are far from thy law. Thou art near, O Lord, and all thy commandments are truth. Concerning thy testimonies, I have thought of you which are founded forever. Number 20 is Resh, keeping God's law in adversity. Consider mine affliction, O Lord, and deliver me according to thy word, for I believe in thy law. Plead my cause, Lord, and deliver me quicken me according to thy word. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they seek not thy statutes. Great are thy tender mercies, O Lord, quicken me according to thy judgment. Many are mine enemies and my persecutors, yet do I not decline from thy law. I beheld the transgressors, and was grieved because they kept not thy law. Consider How I love thy precepts and quicken me according to thy loving kindness. Thy word is true from the beginning, and every one of thy righteous judgments endureth forever. Number 21 is peace in keeping God's law. Princes have persecuted me without a cause, but my heart standeth in awe of thy word. I rejoice at thy word as one that findeth great spoil. I hate and abhor lying, but thy law do I love. 7 times a day do I praise thee because of thy righteous judgment. Great peace have they which love thy law, and nothing shall offend them. Lord, I have hoped for thy salvation and done thy commandments. My soul hath kept thy testimonies, and I love them exceedingly. I have kept thy precepts and thy testimonies, for all my ways are before thee. Number 22 is Tau, prayer for understanding. Let my cry come near before thee, O Lord, give me understanding according to thy word. Let my supplication come before thee, and deliver me according to thy word. My lips shall utter praise when thou hast taught me thy statutes. My tongue shall speak of thy words, for all thy commandments are righteous. Let thine hand help me, for I have chosen thy precepts. I have longed for thy salvation, O Lord, and thy law is my delight. Let my soul live, it will praise thee, and let thy judgments help me. I have gone astray like lost sheep. Seek thy servant, for I do not forget thy commandments. I was able to memorize the Psalms 119 during the lockdown period. It has been a great blessing to me and be a great blessing to you also. God bless you all. Amen.